So you already know it's trade or die the season. And I just wanted to get back on here and explain to you guys how this season works. So even though people are not at the levels at the clinch of the playoffs, and those numbers are in the description from the previous video, what ends up happening is, as traders, because we're trading, our season doesn't end. That's the difference between our league. Our season doesn't end. Yeah, holidays are certain days and games we won't have to play. But for most of the part, the markets are going to be open, and there's going to be opportunities to trade and make an impact on how we're going to affect our annual season. And it's measured by the annual income at the end of the year that is accumulating strictly from trading, not any other sources of income. And we're talking about people who are relatively new to the trading. We're not talking about institutions and all of that. That's like the Olympics. And although we're trading against some of these guys, that's just the nature of the league in which we play in. You know what I'm saying? The good thing about that is, in normal sports, when you get eliminated or you don't get to make the playoffs, people still get prepared for the next season, and that's what we do in trading. There's still a month and a half or so, maybe 2, 3 month out and a half of trading left. And what we try to do is position ourselves, those who did not clinch playoffs, you try to position yourself to get in a position so that you can accumulate something, and that'll be like the draft, where you're able to get those runs. If you're still in the game, November, December, you get you some good runs. You come in January with a little bit more momentum, confidence, fluff, settlement of whatever your tax obligations are. We're going to talk about that too. But, because this is all going to be around finance, so, period. So from that point, coming into the new year, which is the first quarter, January, February, March is the first quarter, you can begin to make those strides. Then April, May, June, then July, August, September, then you can look at your year and use better impact throughout the quarters, giving you a better close for the year. But to play this game, you got to get in the field and play against guys who have way more capital than you, less capital than you, advantages, all kind of stuff. This is the league that we play in. The ref don't call all the calls, if any. The power's in our hand, and it's us versus them. They want to call us retail traders, but we understand trading from our perspective. They're understanding from their perspective, which is an advantage point. So we had to create strategies that allows us to participate and get in and win too. And it's been a lot of us being successful. So trade or die is the season. To legit to quit investment is the team. 2L2Q. And I'm your chief strategist and franchise player. Let's get it.